You can expect a lot from the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, a tonneau cover, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.